For this question, we use completing the square, as it says here in the problem statement. So we're going to complete the square. So I'm going to combine my x terms, kind of group them together, because that's how we complete the square. And actually, before I do that, let's do this. Subtract the 40 over. Remember, when we complete the square, we get any constant term on the other side as well. So now, let me put together my x's, x squared minus 12x, and I'll leave a little bit of space because I'm going to complete the square there, and then I have y squared plus 8y, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and then I'll put equals negative 40. Okay, so now we're going to complete the square, and for that we take the b term and divide by 2, with this being the b term here. We take negative 12 and divide it by 2, and we get negative 6. And we do the same over here for y. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And then we square that. All right, so we square negative 6, and we get 36. So we put a 36 in here, and a 36 over here as well to keep it balanced. Then we take and we square 4 as well for the y part. So squaring 4 is 16. And we add that to both sides. So now the purpose in doing that is so we can get this x squared minus 12x plus 36 is in a place where I can write it then simply as x minus 6 squared. All right, and that's what we mean by completing the square. So if you factor that, 36 was the number that makes that thing factor into x minus 6 squared. And likewise over here, 16 was the number that makes those three terms become y plus 4 squared. And so we add those two things together, and then on the far side we have 12. So the center and the radius then of that circle, remember the center is the opposite sign of whatever is in here. All right, so it's 6 and then negative 4. And then the radius is the square root of 12. It's the square root of whatever is on the right-hand side.